Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload emojis to your server on the Discord application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Click on the Discord icon down below on the left side corner, then tap on the server image at the top of the screen on the left side. After that, click on the More button next to your server name at the top. Click on Settings. Scroll down and tap on Emoji. Tap on Upload Emoji. As you can see, you can add up to 50 custom emoji that anyone can use in this server. Animated GIF emoji may be used by members with Discord Nitro. So select the emoji. Here you have the chance to resize it, then click on the choose button, and as you can see it has been uploaded. So if you want, you can slide to the right side and get rid of it by clicking on the delete button. So that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.